calling me crazy, I feel like Supreme Team back in the 80s. I'm talking my like some shady, you working that job. Baby, come lay me. My diamonds hit bright like a shooting star. We all boss, so they don't know who the god. Step in that building like who is y'all? I don't care, cause they know my money long. She calling me crazy, I feel like.
Alright, so we're at Harbor Freight. We got a new, we already bought it, but we just had to put it back on. So this is the motor we bought for my motor, because the other one's a piece of junk was blown up. It's not blown up, it's a piece of junk. Running with no shirt on. Dude, look at them rings. One ball right there. Oh, it's a piece of junk. Yep. Oh, dude, I got the keys. Hang on. Oh, dude. Which one's for the trunk? Dude. Alright, well, we got the motor. She got a little. Is that a weld? I don't remember that when I put it on there, but she's a little rusty. Taking it apart right now. Got the kill switch off, got the throttle off, everything's off. I don't even have the kill switch to start it, so I gotta use the kill switch that's on the motor. But yep, this is what we're looking like right now. It's about to come. Hang on, give me 1 second. All right, come here. So the shaft, we got the shaft off after 11 years. Okay, look at it. It's very rusty in there. The keyway is still in there, thankfully. While I was getting it off, we dripped a lot of oil. Right, Put a hole in the bottom end. Right, that's never good. I can just JB weld that though. Perfect, bro. Perfect. You know what I'm saying? So what we were doing, right, to get the shaft on. So let me demonstrate. The shaft is on like this, right? Like, hopefully it doesn't get locked back on there. I did not bring shoes, by the way. Don't worry about that. I was putting this like this, putting the crowbar like that, and smacking it, dude. Just giving her a couple schwacks and put a hole right through it. That's the new motor. But yeah, so we're gonna put that motor on there, put that shaft in there, bolt that to there, wire that to that, and then boom, boom, skirt. So when I was taking the mount for the motor off, so there's no like, see how there's a end right here that like goes to that? Even that's cutting through. The freaking bolt went right through that, John. On both sides, so I gotta scoot her down just a little bit. And yeah, don't worry about all this silicone and stuff. That's normal. All right, so it's been a catastrophe. We had to use oil to get the shaft on because we didn't have grease and it was rusted shut. If you come close, if you look right here, this bolt is stripped out, so the motor's only holding on by three, not one, three. And you know, it's fine. You know, I think it'll be good. I have to put these two on the thing, and then I can wrench it. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, so it's done. After 11 years, all 4 bolts are on and torque spec'd by hand, not with a torque wrench. The throttle's good. She fires right up. You know what I'm saying? I probably shouldn't be revving it like that because it's a brand new motor and you know it's supposed to be broken in. But I did like 3 heat cycles. It should be fine. Yeah, put a little bit of 7-stroke in it. Put a little bit of 7-stroke in that joint. Come with me. So this motor, right? It's junk. Okay. I put a hole in the bottom end. it leaks gas everywhere, and it's junk. So I'm gonna throw it in the lake. I'm just joking. No, I'm not. So yeah, we're gonna get this in the water in a little bit here, and we're gonna let it idle. We're gonna let it idle for a little bit, and then it should be good. So the motor's still running. We're gonna get in here in a little bit, but yo, hold these. I'm gonna. All right, so I'm currently in the water. The boat is in the water. Oh, there's another hole in the boat.
Is it really?
Yep, there's another hole in the boat. It's okay though. Okay, I just have to go very fast and get in this boat before it fills. I splashed water in it so that way it's not burning my feet. Oh my God!
Daddy, chill.
Alright. You should fire right up. That's never good. Alright, so that's the hole in the boat. The boat feels way slower. I don't know what that's about, but it definitely feels way slower. My phone's been acting up, so I can't record, but I don't know. I'm gonna rip it one more time before the boat fills up with water. Beach and skimboard a little bit. Dude, I can. Oh, dude. That didn't work. Yeah. We're about to take the boat over there with the skimboard. Hopefully there's none in my pocket. But the kill switch still isn't hooked up. I'll see you guys over there. Alright, so we're here. The boat on land again. Try to do this. I don't have to know, bro, so I don't know. I guess I should go back in the water over here. I'm about to send it from like back here, see how far I can get out without taking a fall. Oh my God! What the hell is even that? We just put electrical tape on one of our phones because we're gonna test, you know, how fast this bad girl goes. Your phone might come off, bro. It's fine. Nah, it's cool. We're gonna get it in the water and see how fast this thing goes. I'm thinking. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? How fast do you think it goes? 30. 30? I don't know about 30. 25. I said 22. What do you say? What do you say?
15.
Oh, 15, bro.
It's not fully broken in yet.
Yeah, it is. It's good enough. Oh, wait. I don't think I tightened that plug. Gotta rip this thing, brother. I think that's not how fast. I'm saying 23.
So I'm pretty close.
go, boys. 14.5.
Are you kidding me? So I was close.
Yeah, you were close. Oh, dude. Well, 15 on water, though. That's fast.
That is pretty fast.
For water? I don't know. Maybe the motor's not broken in yet. I don't know. We'll figure it out here in like a little bit. We got the camera in the boat, boys. Oh, God. Oh, God. Stop looking at me like that. Hang on. Look at this thing, bro. Mud motor came in clutch. Oh, that's a spider. Yeah, this thing's mint, dude. It's a little dusty and stuff, but she hauls, bro. There's a hole in the boat if you look right here. It's bubbling a little bit. Don't worry about that, you know what I'm saying? A little bit, JB Weld. Dude, and that other motor that was on here, dude, with the crack case, fire right up, boy. Home about right there. I gotta try to get in this boat without dying. Yeah, sit on that side. Oh, dude. Oh, get it. Oh, my God. Ow, dude, I just cut my foot open. Oh, dude, I'm black. Oh. Ew. Sit on that side, dude. Alright, so we're about to go into these stumps in like the very back of this lake to see what this motor's capable of. I have my phone, I'm hoping we don't capsize or anything. But that is, I don't know what that is. That's like a turtle or something. We're just gonna send it, so stay tuned. That's not a good way to start this. Hang on. Motor died again. Yo, we are taking on a serious amount of water, but it's fine. Yeah, why not? If I have to get in the water, I have to get in the water. Dude, I don't think we're gonna make it. Nope. Oh, we're about to crash. All right, so it smells like a sewer back here, and we were in this water. I don't think that the water's currently getting in the boat. I gotta go back there. Don't worry about it. Stop looking at my feet, bro. Come on. But yeah, we gotta go back there with something, even if it's like a kayak with like a LS motor on it. You know what I'm saying? Calm down. But yeah, we're gonna try to start it up. That would not be good. Oh yeah! You're hot. The motor's not starting. Never mind. Let her eat, boys. Let her eat. Dude, I swear to God. I just bought this motor. I'm gonna sit down. I'm probably shooting for it, right? Yeah. so it's starting to get very deep. We got all the water. Got all the water out. It's very cold right here because this is where the channel is. It's very cold. That didn't sound too good. I'm gonna try to get in the boat. So see where this goes. It wasn't that bad that time. That's a first. Yeah, so last time we were here, we had bad motor problems. So hopefully that doesn't happen to us this time because we have a new motor. So, like that wouldn't have happened last time. But we're gonna cut up some lily pads real quick. Never mind, we're not gonna cut up lily pads. Lily pad now, brother. Yeah. No. Alright, we're gonna like somewhat jump it. We're not gonna fully jump it. We're just gonna jump it a little bit. Never mind, no we're not. Hang on. Alright, so we're gonna try to start this motor up. Oh, look at that! How long do you think it's gonna start? Is that a stick? That's a stick. I think we're gonna hit the stick. I definitely think we're gonna hit the stick. Well, we're on top of the stick. Hang on. Yeah. Oh my god, dude, I swear. Is that an abandoned house? Dude, let's go over there. I'm telling you, dude, this. I think we just have to like hold it open. I don't think you can turn around. Dude, it's pretty deep right here. That's an 8-foot shaft. So we have another hole right here from when we went over in the dam. We can pull the plug now. We took the oil sensor off because that's why it kept stalling out. So hopefully it shouldn't stall out now. Get off. That's the thing for the oil sensor. Well, yeah, she had a lot of water in her, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we should be good now. So that's the video when I don't know. I gotta wire up the kill switch for it. I think it's gotta break in a little bit. Yeah, I gotta wire the kill switch that way we can use the safety switch. I gotta take the plug out and stuff. But I don't know, it's pretty mint. Let me know what we should do with it. I think we're gonna take it into like the marsh mud. I think that's where we take it next. What is that about? I I don't know, this thing sucks. But alright, that was today's video. Let me know what we should do with the boat. I'll see you on the next one.